My name is Kiaz Trepti and I am a toy doctor at a toy hospital. Basically, we try to refurbish old toys or we recreate toys that have been lost. And a lot of our clients are older. You'd think it'd be lots of children, but actually most, I would say 80% of them are over 50. We've had toys that people have brought with them when they've moved or they've emigrated somewhere and the only thing they had from the original country. Or they've had things where situations where somebody's died and it's been a sister or brother's toy and they've kept it, so it's the only thing they've got. I think everybody has a secret toy they keep. I think everybody has one. Everyone pretends they don't. And they always go, oh yeah, I'm not sentimental. But I guarantee that everybody somewhere has something that they've had since they were little and they open the box and go, oh. Sometimes we do get people turning up and going, oh, you know, it's like, I've got a doll in a bag. There's about 17 of us working in different times on different days. So some people are coming in and just dropping off a couple of teddies and going away, and then we have Juan who does leather work, so if there was a leather harness on a rocking horse, he would come and just do the harness part and then bring that back. So we've got lots of other workers who specialise in little things as well, and they often will go, oh, I've got that buckle that's exactly that colour, that's this from here, so we pull stuff in all the time. An old 100-year-old teddy, you can still fix it and you can still make it usable and it'll last another 200 years. The new toys, they're just not as mendable. A lot of them are almost made to break, not to last very long, so that to put the pressure on you to go and buy another 20 million small plastic toys. I'm thinking in the future, what will they do? They're all just going to be in a big pile in landfill. We're actually stopping thousands of toys going into landfill and we're keeping all those memories and all those things attached to it. In my old life, I used to be a fashion designer and I ran design rooms. Being able to use all those skills and things from years ago and from things that my great-grandma taught me when I was 8 years old, so we can update them and use them for techniques that are still available now. A lot of the things I had when I was younger I made because I was a very poor family and we were never bought toys, so I understand why people find them so precious. I mean, we have had like 60-year-old men on the doorstep just bursting into tears because they've got their little teddy back and they've just been really, really sad without it. It's a really nice job to do because you just get to see this side of people that they don't normally show. Sewing shouldn't be taught by your grandma to little girls, it should be taught to boys, men, fully grown 60-year-olds. Everyone should learn to sew because if you could do that simple start process, it's amazing what you can then build on that from. It's like an alchemy, you can make anything. You can literally make anything, people. You don't need to go and buy stuff. You can just make it and it's amazing.